Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by connecting the tools. Enable the Google Sheets API and your AI provider key, then create a focused sheet with clear headers. Once done, add an app script bound to the sheet or prepare a small Python/Node script to call both APIs. Make sure to reserve columns for prompts, model parameters, and AI responses so automation writes to a predictable range. This gets you past setup quickly and into actionable automation without wasting time on trivial UI steps. Now implement the core workflow. Read prompt rows and send batched requests to the AI using model parameters stored in your sheet so you can tweak temperature or max tokens live. Once responses return, parse and normalize them, trim whitespace, JSON parse structured outputs, and split fields into columns. Also add retry logic for rate limits and write progress markers so partial runs don't duplicate work. This middle stage is where reliability and clear data mapping matter most for scalable automation. Finish by wiring triggers or a manual run button so you can execute the pipeline safely. Then validate results with simple checks and sample audits to ensure data quality. Make sure to log both requests and AI responses for diagnosis. If something breaks, first reduce batch size and inspect logs for quota or malformed input, then replay failed rows. Finally, update your sheet's parameter cells so you can iterate on model behavior without changing code. That keeps experimentation fast and low risk.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.